back with SignalPeak today, guys, and I've been making crazy money. Now, I've been traveling Thailand for the last 3 weeks, and every single day still taking the signals on here, making enough to keep traveling without spending any of my savings. It's incredible, guys, and you can get a free trial right now, so you don't even have to pay for anything. Let's get into what I'm talking about. All right, SignalPeak, guys. All right, this is an incredible service. You can see over 11,000 subscribers. They're always posting their results in here from different groups, but they actually have over 100 crypto groups and over 45 Forex groups. And I'm going to specifically talk about one of them today. But first, I want to show you how you make this work. So on the bot, guys, all right, you can go and choose any of the following. You can choose a 3-day free trial. You can choose a monthly plan, a lifetime plan, get your affiliate link once you've signed up, or carry on. Now, you can see the lifetime VIP. This is $350. I'm actually going to give you a discount, and this discount is only going to be lasting a limited time of saving $100 for the lifetime fee. But again, you can try for free right now, guys, to get straight into this and get involved. Now, let me talk about one group right now. All right, this is Scalping 300. This group is absolutely insane, and you can see by the profit. Look at this last couple of trades: 42%, 10%, 42%, 35%. Unbelievable, guys. All right, they put the trade in looking like this. They tell you it's a scalp, what token it's going to be, what direction, the cross, the entry where you should be getting into the trade, the stop loss where you should have it in case things do go bad, and what take profits they're going to show you. A day trade, so you should be waiting the whole day for this to finish. And swing trade, this could take up to 3 months. Okay, so they give you different options, and again, the percent do show how incredible this is. What I'm going to do, guys, is actually show you how to take a trade and how to confirm a trade. Okay, so let's go to Alex Friedman and check out one of their signals. All right, so you can see the new one here, NKN to USDT. So let's open up TradingView. This is what you should do for every signal. Okay, NKN to USDT dot perpetuals. Okay, and we're going to check this out. So you can see I've got an indicator on it telling me when to buy and when to sell, but the signals is what I want to confirm. So this says to short, and this was at 12:10. Okay, so the entry was 7137. So let's line that up. 7137 is exactly, let me line this up for you, 7137, okay, is here. All right, that's where the mark is. So you can see here exactly when the trade started to go ahead. So they said to sell this, okay, and they're looking between that and 6957. Their TP, if we're going to go with the highest TP of 6198, okay, and the lowest with 6895, are looking around here. So let me get my short position out, okay, and we're going from here, and they said that the lowest TP was, let me just confirm, okay, 6895. So if we go to 6895, this is where they said it 100% will get to. There, okay, which you can see we have already ticked, okay. And the second one, they are saying if you want to be ambitious, okay, you would go for all the way to, and it is 6198. So ambitious, looking at around 6198. Okay, now why do I draw 2 of these out for you? I want to explain this, okay. So we can see TP1 for this trade has been hit. Okay, you can see here, massive, massive hit. All right, we've already made the profit. So the signals work, it's confirmed. Now, if I was coming in late, okay, I would say that this is missed because TP1 has been hit and TP here, this is the top one, has been hit. You can see this line, I'm going to draw for you. It already wicked here, which means the top TP got hit. Now the trade is over. We're already on the way up. This one candle, we made all of that profit. So you would have made a total, guys, if we measure this out from when the trade was taken all the way to here, that was a 14% win trade. And that's just a random one that I've just picked up, the last one that was taken. 4% win, 14% win trades, guys. So that's how you confirm it. Now, if it was the opposite way, okay, if they asked you to put the trade on here, sell, okay, and the first TP was here, all right, it's not hit first TP, it started to move up, I would not get into this trade instantly because you already know that it's going the opposite way. You don't have to take every trade they say. All I'm saying is they're very accurate. So guys, that's how you take a trade and that's how you confirm one. So all you got to do, guys, hit the link down below, go and speak to them, hit the bot, get the 3-day free trial, try it out, and then get involved. You're going to save $100 if you use my link down below. So get amongst it, guys. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, with the bell if you're notified, and I'll see you next time.